Welcome back. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on bold journeys like an explorer crossing through a world of heavy machinery. A place where surprises always lurk, from excavator malfunctions and massive transportation systems. Welcome back. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on bold journeys like an explorer crossing through a world of heavy machinery. A place where surprises always lurk, from excavator malfunctions and massive transportation systems. How do you get a 30,865-pound excavator out of a quagmire? Don't blink. It's a spectacular sight as the rescue team uses tires as makeshift steps, carefully lowering the massive machine to safety with skill and ingenuity. The massive Oshkosh 8x8 military vehicle is stuck in thick, heavy mud, its wheels spinning hopelessly. A roaring cat excavator strains as it pulls the steel cable taut, inch by inch, freeing the heavy machine from the mire, like a battle between steel and mud. Witness the dramatic demolition. A torrent of water rushes around the base of the Chagrin Falls Ivex Dam as the colossal jackhammer roars, shattering thick concrete. Chunks of concrete explode, with the sound of the water howling, clearing the way for the free-flowing current to return. The Cabelco Trado long-reach excavator slowly climbs onto the low chassis of the truck. Each movement precise to the centimeter. It's a masterful display of skill, leaving the audience in awe of both the operator's talent and composure. Join me as we follow the impressive transport process of the massive Komatsu D475 bulldozer using the by-side method from the mine to the service unit. With the help of a MAN TGA 41660 truck and heavy-duty trailers, the team coordinated flawlessly, showcasing the pinnacle of logistics expertise. If you love this machine, don't forget to leave a like or hit subscribe to keep us motivated to share more exciting content. The massive bulldozer is stuck deep in thick mud, its wheels spinning but unable to move. A powerful rescue excavator moves in, attaches a sturdy winch cable, and slowly pulls the bulldozer out of the mire, successfully rescuing it with the roar of the engine echoing in the air. Oh no, it seems the rescue operation has failed as the truck gets stuck, emitting thick black smoke. The situation is becoming more tense than ever. The Mahindra 475Di tractor loses balance during a distraction maneuver and plunges into the rice field. The JCB 3DX excavator is immediately dispatched, rushing to the scene. With its powerful crane, it successfully rescues the heavy tractor, lifting it safely out of the rice field. This truck driver is truly a courageous legend, as he maneuvers a truck loaded with tons of timber across a raging river. With every turn of the wheels on the water's surface, he faces extreme challenges, yet with skill and bravery, he overcomes every wave with ease. If you're impressed by these machines, don't forget to leave a like so we can continue bringing you even more exciting content. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight to witness the massive Liebherr 9350 excavator, equipped with just 3 buckets but capable of a staggering load capacity of 264,555 pounds. Its sheer power and immense size leave everyone in awe of the greatness of this technology. It's truly astonishing to see hundreds of tons of beams lifted with ease onto the transport truck. The power of modern technology is clearly demonstrated with each precise movement, leaving the audience in awe of this extraordinary capability. You can't take your eyes off the moment when the twin cranes simultaneously lift and tilt the 26,455-pound precast concrete slab at the 13.8 kV substation. The perfect coordination between the two massive machines, with each precise movement, places the slab in position, showcasing the power and sophistication of modern technology. How is it possible for such a giant excavator to tip over like that? It's a tense moment when the excavator suddenly flips, lying on its side on the ground. The rescue team quickly springs into action, using a powerful crane and specialized equipment to carefully lift and rescue the excavator from its dangerous position, ensuring safety. Oh no. Boom. Fail container. A catastrophic mistake like never before. When the Cat DM70 long front from Chantre Abruch arrives at the construction site, its powerful design and long arm make an immediate impact. This machine operates efficiently, crushing old structures and marking the beginning of a robust and precise demolition process. The intense race between two giants. The powerful and durable Ural truck faces off against the speed and strength of the famous Kamaz. Both display exceptional power, but who will emerge as the winner in this challenging showdown?
Ну что вы скажете?
The scene was truly tense as the Kamaz tried to pull the deeply stuck truck. However, not only was it unable to free the truck, but the vehicle was also seriously damaged, with a chunk of the front end flying off.
Ёбаный в рот! It's all good, we're on the move, coming up over the hill.
A top-tier performance as Mactran's heavy haulage conquers the steep hill in the remote lands of northern Queensland. With flawless teamwork, the massive truck overcomes the treacherous incline, showcasing its power and relentless perseverance.
Without the IT and the radar, everything looks good. Got her over the top of the hill. It's all good.
The Mactran's heavy haulage truck, with its powerful Max Superliner V8 roaring, speeds down the road. The engine's roar echoes as the massive vehicle carries heavy cargo, each wheel rolling over rugged terrain, demonstrating its incredible strength and impressive hauling capability.